All right, this question is asking us how many common tangents do the sets of circles have? All right, we have kind of 4 different sets of these 2 circles here. And in this first one, remember a common tangent has to touch both circles in exactly one spot. So what I mean by that is in this one, of course, the only way that they touch is here, the only spot that they touch. And so a common tangent, if I were to make a tangent, remember that has to be perpendicular to the radius. And let's say that the radius is there. And so the radius of the big circle. And so if I were to make a common tangent, it'd have to go almost straight up and down, just like that. I have my fine tip marker here to show that, try to be as accurate as possible. That's one common tangent on this one. Now, this one is going to have a few more because also they touch here, right? And so I can go up and down like I did in the last one. However, this one has some more. I can also make another line that maybe touches this one and this one, right there, right along the tops. Think if these were 2 balls rolling across a gym floor, right, and they're right next to each other. That would be kind of what this picture would represent. That's the top of it, I guess. Maybe you have a board or something across those. Now this is in just 1 or in 2 dimensions. That'd be in 3 dimensions. I can do the same thing on the bottom to kind of indicate the floor. In this one, I'll try to do my best to hit those in exactly one spot, kind of like that. So this one would have 3 common tangents. I'll circle that. This one just had 1. So my radius isn't a common tangent, but that line is. So I'll circle a 1 there. What about this one? If that one was 3, is this one going to be more or less? Well, I can't go through the middle because I would hit it in 1, 2 spots for each circle. And remember, I have to only hit it in 1. So I think I can only go across the top and the bottom, kind of like this line and this line were for that one. So if I go across the top, do my best to draw these. It's there. And this one, oop, I missed. But you kind of get the idea. It's going to be there. Right, so this one, it hits both circles exactly once. This one hits both circles exactly once. So this one has 2 common tangents. What if they don't touch? Is this going to be none? Well, no, this one's going to actually be more because I can go across the top and the bottom again. 1, 2, all right? And I can also go diagonally, all right? Now, these are really hard to draw, so I'll do my best. All right, and it's actually a little bit closer in compared to those other lines. So it's kind of more in the middle because if it were in this spot, remember a tangent has to be perpendicular and they can't have more than 1 spot that's perpendicular to that particular part of the circle. All right, if I go along the other way, it's going to hit it right there and right here. So this one has 4 different common tangents if the 2 circles are separated a little bit.